Hey everybody, it's Temu time again. I'm coming at you today with the heavy duty crimper. It's a crimper I've been wanting for a while and got it off of Temu finally. Uh, I've got it set for smaller wire, and what I figured out with this thing is there's a trick to it. So, alright, what we're gonna do is we're gonna crimp something. Alright, so I'm gonna take this wire. And I'm gonna put this end on it right here. We're gonna attempt to put that end on it. Alright, so first thing we gotta do, we gotta strip the wire back. Wish I had somebody to hold the camera. Anyway, we're gonna strip the wire back. Put some wire strippers. Oh, this sucks with no fucking camera holder person. Alright, anyway, here we go. This is crazy. Okay. Stripping the wire. Okay. Got the wire stripped. I like to bend mine like a little. I like to bend it like that. Like that. Alright. Next is we'll take this and we're going to put it in here into our crimper. This is going to prove to be difficult with one hand. But we're going to get it done. Alright, so what I like to do is go ahead and start closing it some until it gets about the size of your fitting. Okay, let's see if it'll fit now. Nope. A little bit more. Okay, now let's try it. No. Oh man, that's about the size. Right there. Alright, next we're going to take our wire and we're going to put it in there. This one hand stuff is crazy. Okay. Alright, so we're going to try to get this thing in here. Oh, might need some pliers, hold on. We're going to take the needle of those pliers and we're going to close this up a little bit. Like so. Alright. Then we're going to put it in there. And we're going to crimp it. This thing puts mad juice behind it too. I like it. Alright. think that's good. Then you take this little button right here and you release it. And it's released. And that's how you use the handheld hydraulic crimper. Okay. And I guess I'll go ahead and put some heat shrink on that. What do you guys think? Yeah, we'll put some heat shrink on it. Okay, so we're gonna take that. We'll go from this end. That looks about right. Now we gotta find our heat gun. Alright, heat gun. Right there. Oh man, there's a wasp nest up there. Alright, we got it plugged in. Let's see if it's working. Yep, it's working. And we're just gonna heat that up. Alright guys, there you have it. It looks pretty good to me. And that's how you use this Temu hydraulic fitting crimp. So if any of you guys need anything, the hydraulic crimper, it's on Temu. I think it's $49.99. Links in my description. Buy two.